Thinking, how could she do this to me? Oh, I thought that girl belonged to all. 'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, I have another half wig, okay? Another convenient. Like I told you, nothing but convenient, manageable wigs, period. So this video, I have a Burmese Curly Half Wig in 24 inches, and then it's from Isee Hair Company. I have not had a wig like this. Like, the ends of it was so tightly and beautifully coiled, like, stunning. Okay, the hair is so freaking soft, and let's get into the density. This density, I mean, it's absolutely beautiful, absolutely soft. Running my fingers through the hair, and the hair's just getting bigger, not necessarily frizzier, but just bigger in the most beautiful way ever. And it's lightweight. It's so thick, but when I tell you it is so lightweight, I love it. Okay, you guys saw how you can even still see how coiled the hair is at the ends. It is so freaking pretty. Now, when it comes to my leave out, I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. I thought that I could put some mousse on there. Baby. So I got a headband on, and you can literally with these half wigs, you can do a variety of different hairstyles in different ways. You can use a headband like this. You can use a fabric headband. You can twist your hair, braid your hair, or you can just have it all back and then have a headband on, and you literally don't have to do nothing but your edges. Okay, so this is so stinking cute. I just love how it's not too thick at the top, but it gets thicker at the bottom, because I feel like if it was super thick at the top, it might look a little bit wiggy, okay? But I just feel like it's just gradually getting so big, and I absolutely love that. I can't say that enough. But yeah, this is their Burmese Curly. I haven't had Burmese hair in years, actually. So I really like everything about this wig so far. I really wish I had twisted my hair, my leave out actually, so it would have been more willing to like blend with this curl pattern. So I will probably do that tonight, but child, you can finesse it. You can finesse it, okay? Honestly, I will probably go on record in saying I like this curly half wig more than the other curly half wigs that I've tried on my channel, just because the hair is extremely soft. When I tell you soft, it's the softest out of all the curly half wigs that I've tried on my channel, for sure, hands down. It is just, I don't know what to say. It's just like soft, y'all. It's real soft. I'm very excited about this wig, and I have nothing else to say. So leave a comment down below if you have tried the Burmese Curly from this hair company. I love Isee Down. I always say that. Like, I love them. I love multiple textures from this company. I have been working with and spending my money with this company for years. Okay, 4 years. Highly recommend them. Okay, highly recommend them. So definitely let me know if you have tried this texture from this company and if it was just as good as I'm telling you it is, so the other girlies can get some other input. But that's about it. It's really self-explanatory. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye. I'm so exhausted.
Thinking, how could she do this to me? Oh, I thought that girl